welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here it is, Dodge Avenger. No start, no crank, no nothing. Wow, look at that, a 3.6. Okay, this is an Avenger, so this must be the top of the line Avenger. Now, as you can see, the transmission down there is paired with a 62 TE. All right. So, but it was towed in, guys. No start, no crank, no nothing. Now, first thing first, guys, let's duplicate it. Let's see if they actually know what they're talking about. Let's go with it, guys. I have the key right here. Let's see. All right, yeah. Ooh, I got power. So I got good, healthy power too. You hear that bell? So that tells me I got some voltage. All right, be quiet. Let's see what's happening. On. Let's go to start. Wait till this bell quit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just a click. I hear the starter clicking. Let's go outside under the hood and see. Let's get it. All right, guys. Like I say, you can't really eyeball a car and tell. Good thing about this start is extremely easy. I remember the last one I had to take the cat off. All right, so, but before you go dealing with starters or anything like that, because keep in mind, guys, this car was towed in it very well. In fact, let's do this. The engine very well could be, whoa, wait a minute. I don't have a rag, so we're gonna do this the ghetto way. Let's wipe it off. All right, now, let's make sure y'all can see this. So, stick is clean. Let me stick this in the, go all the way down to the bottom. Pull this back out. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Do y'all see that? Ladies and gentlemen, this engine could very well be seized up, locked up. Wait a minute, I might be seeing things. I want y'all to see, there's no camera trickery, no glitch, no nothing. I'm wiping the stick off with my hand because I'm holding my camera in my other hand and I have no rag. Now, y'all look at this closely. Can y'all see this? The stick is clean. Safe mark is right here. Forget the safe mark. I'd rather see anything at this point. Now, this is the original oil dipstick. Let me put this in here because I think I'm seeing things. Or I'm not seeing things. Or I'm not seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing, which is oil on the dipstick. Dipstick is all the way down. I want to make sure y'all see this. Pulling the dipstick out slowly but surely. And ladies and gentlemen, what we have is absolutely nothing. Oh my. I mean, not even on the tip. Yeah, normally you because the car can run 2-3 quarts low and appear, you know, way down here, but you know there's still oil in the crankcase that would prevent it from seizing up. This instance, there's absolutely nothing even on the tip, guys. All right, now most of you guys are aware of the potential oil leak location on these cars. The oil filter adapter housing, oil pan, things like that. But my concern has just shifted, guys. I will have to find out if this engine is seized. So in order to do that, I need to turn the crankshaft. The best way to get to the crankshaft is through here. So I'm gonna go grab some tools, guys, and remove this cover and grab me a big wrench and see if I can rotate this engine. All right. So guys, oh my goodness, I cannot believe these people done seized up they. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let me go run inside and get some tools. Let's find out what is wrong with this engine. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, what we're about to do now, I merely want to see if this engine would crank over or turn over. That's all I want to see, because if it won't, there's really nothing else to do. Okay, now can a starter block an engine from turning over? I'm sure it could if it was jammed or launched inside, stabbed inside the flywheel. But that doesn't sound like the case here. I can hear the starter solenoid retract try to start the engine. That's what that clicking noise is you hear. And I can hear it. I have a sense of hearing for hearing it pull back out when the power is snatched away. So I don't really think the starter, if that's the case, I don't know if that's the case or not. I'm about to find out if the engine seized up now. So I went and got a wrench. I don't know what I'm gonna need, so I just went and grabbed some tools. I know I need this, take that shield out the way, that cover down there. So guys, let me get this cover off right quick. Well, alright guys, y'all can see where I bolted up to, where I added a socket. I think it's an 1 1/16 socket on the crankshaft bolt. I attempted to turn it with my breaker bar, my extension and my breaker bar, and lo and behold, it will not turn. So what does that tell me? Ladies and gentlemen, the engine is seized up. Okay, now like I say, this was a good indication of it being seized up. You cannot, an engine cannot continue to run with no lubrication, guys. I'm sure you all are aware of that. So where do we go from here, guys? It's fairly simple. I know a lot of guys out there love seeing stuff like that. They will merely take the oil pan off and proceed to try to find out even further, or go further into finding out why the engine is seized. It's likely a bearing, a main bearing, maybe wedged together, froze together, seized up, because without lubrication it's really hard to tell until you tear it down which one caused it. But you could have easily damaged other engine parts. So saying that, I said that to say this: it becomes extremely risky to try and repair. In fact, it's out of the question here where I'm at right now, at the place of employment I'm at right now. It's not going to happen. In other words, they won't even let us try to fix anything like this. Something like this, automatically engine. You're going to get an estimate for an engine. And guys, with this being an Avenger, the estimate of the engine repair or engine replacement will likely exceed the value of the car. Okay, now I had to refrain from saying stuff like that because people tend to think that I'm belittling their car. That's not the case. Sometimes you got to be realistic on estimates and what you put into your car. If your car is not worth $2,000 or $3,000, why would you put a $2,000? Why would you pay a $2,000 bill for an engine? So it becomes a strategic thing at that point, as far as numbers. If you have any question, please subscribe to the channel, and I will get back to it as soon as possible, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.